the two of Josh TV's channels yet banned. Number one was just YT and number two is his main channel. So which means we can now upload more. But I will just delete this quest. Yeah, I added this for some reason at all. But I added it for some reason. I don't know why. But I wanted to add it. But now I will just remove it. So what I wanna do is complete the quest. Anyway, what's the quest? Anyway, why do I keep saying I'm still school? Same. They're probably older than me, not gonna lie. Wait, there's any new items? I guess not. But let's go. Hey, what are you doing? Let's just try to complete the quest. Wait, speaking of quest, let's just see the shop first. Nothing special at all. Not what about here? Festive light? Oh, there's actually more. There's a lot here. Silly snowman. So they had the snowman this whole time. Festive light. Wait, can't you just rotate this, man? This is completely useless, to be honest. And we can go. Okay. Let's see what's in here. There's those things and ribbons. Wait, there's also festive. Hey Santa, can you show me the... Oh. Anyway, let's use the paint bucket 20 times. Hold on a minute. That's much better. I just turned off power time. But anyway, craft any object from the crafting station. And just craft a trade tray. That's the old-fashioned way of crafting. And it's super easy. Dude, I'm doing this so weirdly. Wait, I can just use some other to change the color of my tower. Okay then. I think I should change those colors to light stone gray. There we go, that's much better. Let's just go and collect the quest. Hey, didn't I do this on like 2 minutes, Mr. Santa? Wait, this is not Mrs. Santa. I mean Mr. Santa. Thank you. I have 8. Let's buy a snowflake. Let's put in this. Wait, I made another one of those. I need collections. Hold on. What quest did Santa give me again? Okay, use paint bucket and craft an item. Let's just grab that trend tree that I crafted. Where is the Again. Festive wrap. Okay, it's right here. Let's put one of them. You can just wrap right here. This is so funny. But if you're in PC, it will be kind of hard. Bro, can you ignore my dog? She is too loud. He just wants food for some reason. But let's go back to my tower. You can donate to me here if you want. Yeah. Anyway, it's just... Is there a teleporter right now? If there is, it may be so helpful. No? I need to go on the top of my tower. So, it will be hard. Wait, let me just call my dog because she is too annoying right now. Okay, job done. It might not be noisy right now, but later for sure she will be. What am I even doing right now? We can just see 67. Did someone just died? I heard an oath. When can our dog even stop? But let's just color this thing illustrate. Actually, I will just color it right. Bruh! Bro, what is happening? Wait. For some reason, I cannot color it white. I need the illustrational white. Wait, what is institutional white? Bruh, I cannot color this thing. I'm wasting my time completely. Hello, can you just work? It's kind of working. Yeah, bye-bye. I'm just going to get milk. Yummy milk. Wait, why does it taste so weird? Wait, why is it red? Okay, let's just go to the shop of the Christmas because we can buy more things. Wait, I only have 3 more. What can I even buy? Bro, I could have buy this lollipop jump. But I have one with my ult. Just TV cannot use it now. Which is actually, but I don't care. I will just trade. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. And if you did, like and subscribe. So I can upload more times now. Because no more nothing to worry about Jesus TV channel. So, bye-bye.